Hey y'all, it's your girl Miss Mathis, and we're back with another Vlogmas. So I got my man with me. I'm making him do a nutcracker Lego with me. So I think this is gonna be really fun because I never did a Lego before, and I think the nutcracker thing was real cute since it's Christmas time.
She said this is the smallest one. There's bigger ones, so I can only imagine what they really got.
My plan was to get the Christmas tree one because why not, Naya? But I just never know, babe. Hold on. I never just thought like, okay, I never did a Lego before, so let's start off small, and then we'll progress depending on how I like it. Hey y'all. You ready, babe?
I'm ready. Come on.
Okay, so we gonna open this bad boy. We gonna get their building like Bob, and I really hope y'all enjoy this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and keep tuning into my Vlogmas. Y'all. y'all know. So we gonna open it. Technical difficulties, you feel me? Before we do anything, y'all, you can either use these eyes with the lashes, or you can use the man. We're gonna see how it works out. So, those are our pieces. I know, babe, look. Piece 1, piece 2. Show them that you do it.
Piece 3.
Okay, and then we got our little book. Looks like him. This is the. So this is the book, and here. Yeah, check it out. 208 pieces, y'all. I believe.
Only 51 steps though, or 52, which is really insane. But yeah, y'all, they got the whole pamphlet of all the parts, you know.
So we got each instruction. So if y'all ever get a Lego, don't worry. Lego's got you with the little book. And like I said, reading is fundamental. Make sure you're doing step by step in order to make this work for y'all. But I think this is going to be a cute little team building project. And we're going to get started. So let's get right into it, babe.
Ever had a dog talk back to you guys?
Have y'all? Because one thing about Rocky, he gonna talk. I don't know if it's focusing, but yeah. So we got our first step, babe.
I'm trying to throw them
No, for real. Hold on.
You gonna open them all?
Oh, I was gonna open this and put it over here.
I'm about to say, I think this. Does it got that button? Or am I just for the part there?
It probably do got that part. Oh yeah, you got it, babe. Okay, so that's one.
It's in the bag. One bag. I'm gonna leave all the bags open yet.
True. I'll just leave it here.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, and then I'm gonna do step number 3. He ain't have to do it so quick. I know. Okay, so then there's another one. This and then.
What are you looking for? Boom.
Oh, okay.
And then I got you for the next step. This is the next step right here.
Hold on. I'm assuming like this. Like this, bro? The other way, y'all. Okay.
It says we need 2 weird parts. I think they're not bad.
Y'all, I am so ready for this finished product already. I'm sorry, I just love your face.
I'm sorry, your energy just boost. I'm sorry, y'all.
Oh, I'm sorry, go ahead.
So we need this. Let me see.
supposed to be?
Hey.
Hmm.
Are you fried?
Am I fried? Do you see? It looks exactly like the picture. Do it not?
No.
Gosh dang it. Okay, next up.
You think they got a Hellcat Lego?
We gotta look it up. We gotta look it up. Y'all know those memes? I'm just a chill guy. Y'all see him right here. He is the meme.
He is the meme.
Mm-hmm.
He's a chill guy.
That's just building a Lego set with his girlfriend. Because she wanted him to. I appreciate it, but for real.
VLOGMAS is lit. I like it. I'm ready for the next page.
Oh, my fault, Bob. Here you go. Love when a man get the building. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
That is pretty cool.
Ain't it?
I thought Legos were lame, but
Me too. But then when I seen y'all little couples do Lego stuff and build together, I'm like, I want to do that cute stuff with my boyfriend, even though it looks corny. Let's do it.
oh, it's the mom.
Yeah. It's just him doing it so quick for me. Like, okay.
I got building skills.
Mm-hmm. Let's see.
I know we might need to get a big one.
Big one. We're not even done yet.
We might need to make like a Lego city, huh?
No, I seen a Disney World one, babe.
Like it's at whole Disney?
A whole Disney World one at my Target.
How much? It's probably expensive as a bitch.
Maybe like 100, I think.
For Legos?
Mm-hmm. Cause that Stitch one I told you about, I think it's like 100 or maybe like 80 something. I'll have to look.
I'm gonna pull it up.
We're gonna have to build that. There you go. There you go. There you go. Alright. You snap.
Did you want me to do this part 25 too?
Oh yeah, do part 25. Go ahead. Oh, that's his arm.
Oh,
Okay. Yes. I'm like, huh? Hey!
Oh, you snap.
And you
You
snap.
snap. You
You
snap.
snap.
You snap.
So far, so good. He's so cute. Okay, let's get into the next step.
Hand Taylor right here, baby. You know what I'm saying? Watch this. This is that too crazy hat right here. The designer to it. Bam, pop that in.
Safe to say, my man carried this Lego. His back got hurt right now. I think I want to do the actual eyes. The eyelashes, I guess, are cute, but I want it to be...
I want to see his eyes.
I want to see his eyes. So we are going to go to page 42 for this part.
Yeah?
Get me, y'all.
I can build that. I'm sorry. You got me in this building mindset.
You snapping. Like, for real, for real.
I had to.
Yeah. And cheese. Just like that.
I think. How does with the hat? Well, we still got pieces.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I'm like, where's the rest of them? Okay, let's keep going, y'all. That's the finishing product. Y'all see it? But this is the first of many Legos. Gosh, this is so cool, babe. I'm mad it kind of went a little quick. Thought it was more.
What's even mad it was that quick? Why?
Cause like this is so cool.
Girl, I'm a builder. It's gonna go quick. Yeah, y'all, we built our first Lego. I would definitely do it again. I ain't gonna lie.
Thank y'all for coming along for Lego building with my boyfriend. I hope y'all enjoy. Make sure, again, y'all like, comment, subscribe. Y'all heard him? Y'all do what he said again. He said like, comment, subscribe. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video and stay tuned for more Vlogmas from me. Together with you.